she's a Chippewa. She's a one of a kind. All my friends call me Bear Claw. Village chicken is my pawpaw. He gets his orders from
We need to adjust it? I guess not.
You can find me in my wigwam. I'll be beating on my tom-tom. Pull out the pipe and smoke you some. Hey, and pass it around. Cause I'm an Indian outlaw. Half Cherokee and Choctaw. My baby, she's a Chippewa. She's a one of a kind.
Oh yeah. You're out, Johnny.
I ain't looking for trouble. We can ride my pony double, make your little heart bubble, Lord, like a glass of wine. I remember the medicine man. He caught running water in my hands, drugged me around by my headband, said I wasn't her kind. Cause I'm an Indian outlaw, half Cherokee and Choctaw. My baby, she's a Chippewa, she's a one of a kind. Well, I can kill a deer or a buffalo with just my arrow and my hickory bow. From 100 yards, don't you know? I do it all the time. They all gather around my teepee, late at night trying to catch a peek at me and nothing but my buffalo briefs. I got them standing in line, cause I'm an Indian outlaw, half Cherokee and Choctaw. My baby, she's a Chippewa, she's a one of a kind.
Well, about 7:20, shoot time. Light is up, as you can see. Nothing's moving yet. Just had a breakfast burrito. Terry's still eating his breakfast. We're living large. Pretty sneaky. Pretty sneaky, Alright. I have a feeling there's gonna be a deer coming from over there. We'll see. Back in a minute. Okay, wait. We got a deer. Uh-oh. You heard that? And he's still got his head down. I don't see a spike on it. Yeah, it looks like a muley. Look, James, off to the right. There it is. I don't think it's a buck. There it is, the deer. I'll look behind the buck. I can see it. It's a should be seeing it now. Oh, I can tell. It only has one spike. Oh, wait. It's got two. It's got two little antlers. Definitely not a shooter. I'm not going to shoot it, but... But it's doe, isn't it? It may look like a doe to some people, but it's actually a spike buck. Where'd it go? It's right out there in the middle of the field, James. Oh. It's a spike. It is a spike.
Well, I can kill a deer or a buffalo with just my arrow. From 100 yards, don't you know? I do it all the time. They all gather around my teeth.
Give us a rundown. What? Give us a rundown. Well, we had a little spike buck that came by about an hour ago. Just came from our right to our left. It was too small to shoot, but apparently not for some other people. That direction. It went that way. Uh-oh. We're getting on call by. Here we are this afternoon's hunt. Nothing throughout the lunch hour. But we just sat down here in this canyon. Larry put on his headphones, and we're like, maybe we should tell him.
We're out of band.
Maybe we should tell him that there's deer, you know. And sure enough, there's 2 deer. What? He takes off his headphones.
Where were the deer?
Yeah, right out there by that 2 cedars that came through there, left to right. Now there's 6 of them over to our right. So now he's still over there just laying down his cedars. We're waiting for the big buck to come back and get him. So again, big buck and right.
All right, James, tell us what happened here.
Well, there's 4 does that we've been chasing all day. They come around again. All of a sudden, the other doe, Larry wants to take it out, right? I'm like, no, you can't do it, you can't. And all of a sudden, the doe looked back, and I heard a blamp. And I looked back, oh, big buck, big buck. Terry. And he just got back from going, doo-doo.
Dose numero dos.
Dose number dose from the jerky. And sure enough, there it is, stopped, and Terry took the shot, and down it went.
It is down.
Laying over there on the hill. We'll see him when he gets over there. He's over on the hill over
It's
there.
awesome.
That's just unbelievable.
All right, we're just now getting the deer back. Jeremy went and got it with the 4-wheeler. It's coming up. Terry hasn't even seen it yet. Levi says it's a 5x5.
I say it's huge. It is freaking big.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness. Good golly, Miss Molly. Ah, you kind of like it.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Oh, that's what we're talking, Buckmaster.
It might be the one we were chasing. I'm not real sure. Oh, my baby, she's a Chippewa. Oh, she's a one of a kind. Well, I can kill a deer or buffalo with just my arrow and my hickory bow. From 100 yards, don't you know? Wow, I do it all the time. They all gather around my teepee, late at night trying to catch a peek at me and nothing but my buffalo briefs. I got them standing in line, cause I'm an Indian outlaw, half Cherokee and Choctaw. My baby, she's a Chippewa, oh, she's a one of a kind. Cherokee people, Cherokee tribe, so proud to live, so proud.